The UK government will hand you up to $1,000 of free money every single year. Not a loan, not a scheme, actual free money added directly to your savings account. It is called the Lifetime ISA, and the vast majority of people who could be using it are not. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 government bonus over 4 years. So, what exactly is a Lifetime ISA? Opened in 2017, the Lifetime ISA, or LISA, is a government-backed savings and investment account designed for two specific purposes: buying your first home or saving for retirement. Here is how it works. You can save up to $4,000 per year into a Lifetime ISA. The government then adds a 25% bonus on top every single year. That means for every $4 you save, the government adds $1, save the maximum $4,000, and the government hands you $1,000 for free. The bonus is paid monthly, directly into your account, and it can be invested, so the bonus itself grows over time. Now here is the important part. The Lifetime ISA is not for everyone. There are strict eligibility rules. You must be between 18 and 39 years old to open a Lifetime ISA. Once open, you can contribute until the age of 50. You must be a UK resident, and you must be a first-time buyer if you are using it for a property purchase. The property rules are specific. The home must cost no more than $450,000. You must use a solicitor or conveyancer on the purchase, and you must have held the LISA for at least 12 months before using it. If you are 40 or over and have never opened a LISA, you have missed the window. But if you are under 40 and you qualify, every year you wait is a year of free government money you are leaving behind. Here is where most people get confused. How does a Lifetime ISA compare to a regular stocks and shares ISA or a pension? Think of it this way. A regular stocks and shares ISA gives you full flexibility. You can withdraw at any time, for any reason, with no penalty. A Lifetime ISA gives you a 25% government bonus, but restricts when and how you can withdraw. Compared to a workplace pension, a LISA has a lower contribution limit, $4,000 versus up to $60,000 a year. But unlike a pension, a LISA sits outside your pension pot, which can be a smart diversification tool. The critical question is, should you use a LISA instead of your pension? Almost always, no. Always maximize your workplace pension first, especially if your employer matches contributions. Then use a LISA on top of that, not instead of it. This is the part that catches people out, and it is critical you understand it before you open a LISA. If you withdraw your money for any reason other than buying your first home or retiring after age 60, you pay a 25% withdrawal penalty, not on your contributions, on the total amount including the bonus. Let me show you exactly what that means. Say you have saved $4,000 and received the $1,000 government bonus, giving you $5,000 in your account. If you withdraw early, the 25% penalty is applied to the full $5,000. That is a $1,250 penalty. You deposited $4,000. You get back $3,750. You have lost $250 of your own money. This is why a LISA should only hold money you are genuinely not going to need. It is not an emergency fund. It is not a flexible savings pot. It is a locked-in wealth builder for a specific purpose. Let me make this real with two examples. Example 1. Maya is 24 and saving for her first home. She opens a LISA and saves $4,000 per year. Each year, the government adds $1,000. Over 5 years, she has contributed $20,000 and received $5,000 in government bonuses. That is $25,000 towards her first home deposit, with $5,000 she never earned. Example 2. Jordan is 28 and has no plans to buy a home. He opens a Lifetime ISA purely as a retirement top-up alongside his workplace pension. He saves $4,000 per year from age 28 to 50. That is 22 years of contributions. Total government bonus received, $22,000. Invested in a stocks and shares LISA at an average 7% return, his pot at 60 could be worth well over $300,000. Tax-free. Opening a lifetime ISA takes under 15 minutes. Here is exactly what to do. Step 1. Make sure you are eligible. You must be 18 to 39 and a UK resident. Step 2. Choose between a cash LISA or a stocks and shares LISA. For a goal that is more than 5 years away, a stocks and shares LISA will almost always outperform a cash LISA over the long term. Step 3. Pick a provider. Moneybox is one of the most popular for beginners. Hargreaves Lansdown offers more investment choice. AJ Bell is solid for low-cost index fund investing inside a LISA. Step 4. Now open the account online. You will need your national insurance number and bank details. Step 5. Set up a standing order. Automate your $4,000 per year, either monthly at $333.33 or in a lump sum before the April 5th tax year deadline. Step 6. Choose your investment. Inside a stocks and shares LISA, a low-cost global index fund is the simplest and most evidence-backed choice. The Lifetime ISA is one of the most generous government incentives available to under 40s in the UK. A 25% bonus on everything you save, up to $1,000 per year, paid by the government directly into your account. If you are eligible and not using one, you are leaving free money on the table every single year. But remember, it is not flexible. Only open a LISA with money you genuinely will not need until you buy your first home or turn 60. Subscribe to the Deal Insider for more money moves that actually matter. Next week, how to pick the best ISA provider in the UK.